Make the most of your outdoor space with one of our stylish and easy-to-install wire balustrade systems. Offering a blend of modern elegance and long-term durability, enjoy unobstructed views, increased airflow, and low-maintenance convenience. The rig fork system with nutserts is a versatile and streamlined system that is easy to install. It is ideal for use on both flat and stair sections when connecting to metal posts. Note that we do also have variations of this system to suit timber posts. The rig fork system with nutserts comes expertly finished and is made from high-quality stainless steel fittings and wire. Your balustrade wires come factory made to length to suit your exact section lengths. The rig fork system easily pivots to suit stair and angled sections with no additional fittings required. The rig fork system is available in our premium bright finish and BlackEtch options. In addition to a power drill, if installing nut rivets on site, you will require an HN02 nut rivet tool with M6 right-hand mandrel and a balustrade multi-tool. For a quicker and easier installation, we highly recommend purchasing posts from us with nut rivets pre-installed. For on-site installation, install the right-hand threaded nut rivets in your post at both section ends using the HN02 nut rivet tool. Install the M6 eye bolts into the nut rivets at both section ends. Use the M6 nuts to align and lock the eye bolts vertically in your posts. Each bundle of wires comes labelled with your section lengths. Take one wire and align the fork terminal with the eye bolt. Push the pin through the fork and the eye bolt. Lock the pin in place using the ring clip. On the other end of the wire, remove the rigging screw body and nut from the wire. Thread the threaded stud through each of your intermediate posts. Reattach the nut onto the left-hand threaded stud and rigging screw body to the wire. Attach the jaw of the rigging screw to the eye bolt by pushing the pin through. Lock the pin in place using the ring clip. Using the balustrade multi-tool, rotate the body of the rigging screw to tighten the wires to the required tension. Lock the system in place by tightening the nuts against the body of the rigging screw. Repeat the steps on all wires and sections. Your new wire balustrade is now complete for you to enjoy.